Good evening students. Today we will discuss about the topic of 9th standard chapter number 5. Student, there are total four exercise in our syllabus 5A, B, C and D. So now I am going to start factorization. Students, when an algebraic expression or polynomial can be expressed as the product of two or more expressions, then each expression is a factor of given polynomial. For example, if we have a polynomial x square plus 5x plus 6 and we can write this x plus 2, x plus 3. Then x plus 2 and x plus 3, these are the factor. These are the factor of this expression. X plus 3 is factor of this given algebraic expression in this polynomial. So these are the factor, and if we can write in product form, then this is a factorization. So student, we have so many methods for factorization. First we take for exercise 5A two method. First method is taking out common factor. Taking out common factor. Taking out common factor. Student, in this method taking out common factor, for every term contains a common factor. For example, if we have an example 2ax square minus ax, then there are total two terms and each term contains ax. Then we take a common factor from the bracket, then we take ax common, then only 2x minus 1. This is our factor of given expression. This is method for common factor. Taking out common factor, first we every term contains a common factor, we take common factor outside from the bracket. Clear? Then we have second method. First is common factor, second is grouping. Grouping. Students, in this method there are even number of terms, and first we arrange the term in this way. Each term, every term contains in group, and each group every term contains a common factor. For example, if we have ax, ab plus bc plus ax plus cx, we contains into two group, first group and second group. In first group b is common, and in second group x is common. First we take common b from first group, then b common a plus c, again x is common, then a plus c. Students, by first grouping, then after that we use a common factor. In this there are total two terms. First term a plus c common, and second term also a plus c contains, then we take common a plus c. A plus c common, then there is only b plus x. This is our grouping method. There are total four terms, even number of terms. We make two group such that in each group there is a common factor. Clear student? Now we take some questions from the exercise 5A. Now we have some questions from exercise 5A. Question number first. Factorize by taking out common factor. Students, we factorize this expression by taking out common factor is first method. First question is 2 into 2x minus 5y into 3x plus 4y minus 6 into 2x minus 5y x minus y. Student, there are total two terms. There are total two terms, first and second. Student, in two terms there is a common factor 2x minus 5y and 2x minus 5y. Again 2 and 6, from both of these only 2 is common. Then we take common 2 and 2x minus 5y. We take common 2 and 2x minus 5y common. Then only this common, then only left this term 3x plus 4y. Clear? Then minus from 6, 2 is common, then only 3 and 2x minus 5y is common, then only x minus y. Clear student? Again 2 into 2x minus 5y bracket 3x plus 4y minus 3x minus plus 3y. Clear student? Again 2x minus 5y, then 3x minus 3x, then cancel out. Again 4y plus 3y, total है 7y. Then this 2 is factor of this expression, 2x minus 5 is factor of this expression, also 7y is the factor of this expression. This is our first question. Then question first, part number 4. Student, we have an algebraic expression 2x a minus b plus 3y 5a minus 5b plus 4z 2b minus 2a. There are total 3 terms, first, second and third. Student, in this 2x 3y 4z, nothing is common. Again a minus b, there is 5a minus 5b, there is 2b minus 2a. First we solve it, 2x as it is, a minus b as it is. Clear? Again plus 5a minus 5b. In this 5 is common, then we take common 5, 3 into 5, 15y, then a minus. Clear student? Again 2 is common in this bracket, then 2 common, then 8z, then b minus a. Again in this term a minus b, but there is b minus a. First we arrange into a minus b, then 2x a minus b plus 15y a minus b, and we take common minus. If we take common minus, then there is minus 8z and a minus. Clear student? Then in total 3 terms a minus b is common, then we take common a minus b. A minus b common, then there is 2x plus 15y minus 8z. Again we have a 2 factor a minus b and 2x plus 15y minus 8z. This is our first question. Then we take a next question 3. Then we have next question, question number 5. Factorize by grouping method. Student, we solve this question by grouping method. First we make group, after that we solve by taking out a common factor. First we make group of this expression. There are total 4 terms, even number of terms. First we make a group. Student, if we make a group of this and this, then in first group there is a common, then we take common a, then a plus. Clear? Again minus. From second group 3a, minus 3 is common, then a square. If we take minus common, then there is a plus. Clear student? 3a square minus 3. Sorry, there is a cube. There is a cube. Then a square plus 1 minus 3 a square plus 1. Clear? Again, first we make group. After that, a square plus 1 is common. Then we take common. A square plus 1 is common. Then there is only a and minus 3. These are our factor of this expression. Clear? Again question number 8. In question number 8, same as it is, there are total 4 terms. First we make group. If we make group of first 2 term and last 2 term. In first 2 term there is b is common, then we take b common, then a minus 2. And in last 2 term a is common, then we take common a, then a minus 2. Again student, in first expression a minus 2 and second also a minus 2, then we take common a minus 2. If we take a minus 2 common, then there is only b plus a. Then we have a minus 2 and a plus b. These 2 are factor of this given expression. The next question, question number 11. Student, first term is ax plus by whole square plus bx minus ay whole square. In first 2 term there is nothing is common. So first we solve this identity, means the square of these two terms. First we solve and this a plus b whole square. Then according to identity, a square x square plus b square y square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 into a into b, then 2 into a b x y. Clear student? Same as it is, plus then this identity b square x square plus a square y square, then minus, because a minus b whole square, then 2abxy, 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 2abxy cancel, then a square x square plus b square y square plus b square x square plus a square y square. There is total 4 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4. First we make group. We take first and third and second and fourth term. First term a square x square, third term plus b square x square, because in two term x square is common, again plus second term b square y square plus a square and y square, and in this term y square is common. Then first two term and last two term, there is two group. In first group x square is common, then a square plus b square, again plus y square is common, then b square plus a square. Student, x square, a square plus b square, and we can write this a square plus b square. Clear? Again in first term a square plus b square, there is also a square plus b square, then a square plus b square common, then there is only x square and there is a y square, then these two are the factor of this given expression. Clear? Then next question number 16. Student, they are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. If we take grouping method, then we have even number of terms. First we arrange this. Student, this is an identity. In last chapter we already discussed about. Then a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. This equal to a minus 1 by a whole square. If we solve it, then this equal to, again minus, we take common 3 from these two terms, 3 common, then there is only a. If we take minus common, then there is minus, 3 common, then only 1 by a. Then we have total 2 terms, first and second. In both the terms, a minus 1 by a is common. Then we take common a minus 1 by a common, then only 1 is common, a minus 1 by a minus and 3. These are the factor of the given expression. Okay, next we take for method for second exercise 3. Student, then third method, by splitting the middle term. This is our third method. Student, if we have an expression of this type, ax square plus minus bx plus minus c. This is a trinomial. There are total 3 terms. This is a trinomial. Then we factorize this expression by splitting the middle term. Middle term is bx. This is our middle term. Student, in this expression, this first is a b and c. First we split b, the coefficient of x, into 2 equal parts, such that sum of 2 parts equal to b and product of 2 parts equal to the product of a and c. Clear? Sum of 2 parts equal to b and product of 2 parts equal to product of a and c. For example, we have an expression of this type, x square plus 5x plus 6. This is a trinomial. Then middle term is this. Coefficient of x is 5. First we split 5 into 2 parts such that sum of 2 parts is equal to 5. 2 parts, 5 को 2 parts divide करना such that sum of 2 parts equal to 5. Then we take 2 and 3. Split 5 into 2 parts, 2 and 3. Sum of 2 parts, 2 plus 3 equal to 5. And product of 2 parts, 2 into 3 equal to product of A and C. A means coefficient of x square 1 and C equal to 6. Then 2 multiply 3, 6 and this equal to 6. Clear student? In this way, we split a 5 into 2 parts, that sum of 2 parts equal to B and product of 2 parts equal to product of A and C. Then we can write this x square plus 5x plus 6. We can write this x square. In place of 5x, we write 2x plus 3x plus 6. There is total 2 terms. Then by grouping first 2 and last 2, then x is common, then x plus 2, again 3 is common, then x plus 2. Again by taking out common factor, x plus 2 is common, x plus 2 common, then there is only x plus 3. Then x plus 2 and x plus 3 are the factor of the given expression. So now we take some question from the exercise 5b. Then next we have some question from exercise 5b. Factorize this by splitting the middle term. First question, a square plus 10a plus 24. Student, in this expression is our variable. Then this is in form ax square plus bx plus c. Then we compare this. Then coefficient of x square, but there is variable a. Then we take this expression in variable a. Then we take a capital A equal to 1, B equal to 10 and C equal to 24. Student, we split B means 10 into 2 parts such that sum of 2 parts 10 and product of 2 parts 1 multiply 24 means 24. If you direct don't know, then you factorize A multiply C means 1 multiply 24. Again prime factor, you do prime factor of 24, 2 into 12, again 2 into then 6, 2 into 3, then 3 into 1. All are positive, then all factors are positive, all 2 factors are positive, all we take such that 2 parts sum 10 and product 24. If we take 2 and 12, then one is positive, one is negative, but we take all are positive. Again, if we take 6 and 4, then sum is 10 and product is 24. 4, 2 multiply to 4 and 6. We take 2 parts of 10, 6 and 4. Then we write this expression a square plus in place of 10a, 6a plus 4a plus 24. Clear? Then first 2 term, next 2 term by grouping. There is common a, then a plus 6. Again there is common 4, then a plus 6. Again a plus 6 is common, a plus 6. Then there is a plus 4. These two are our factor of this expression. Clear? Then next question, question number 10. 2a plus b square minus 6a minus 3b minus 4. Student, first we express in this form ax square plus bx plus c. We write 2a plus b whole square as it is minus. In this expression we take common 3. Then we take common 3. Then there is 2a plus b minus 4. Student, 2a plus b whole square minus 3 into 2a plus b minus 4. If we have this type of question, first we express this question in this form ax square plus bx plus c. Clear? So then first we write in this 2a plus b. Let we take this 2a plus b equal to y. X and y, no problem. We take 2a plus b equal to y. Then this equal to, in place of this we can write y square minus 3y minus 4. Then this is same form ax square plus bx plus c. Then we split 3 into 2 parts such that sum is -3 and product is 1 multiply -4 -4. Student, there is minus. Product of two term minus when one is positive and one is negative. We take two terms such that one is positive and one is negative. But there is negative, then we take greater is negative. Then two term of 4. 4 factor of 4, 4 and 1, then y square minus, we take 4y minus y. First is 4, second is 1, and this is minus, then one is positive, one is negative, but their minus then greater is negative. So minus 4 plus 1, minus 3, minus 4 multiply 1, minus 4. Clear? Then we can write minus 3y minus 4y plus y minus 4. Again first two, last two, y is common, then y minus 4 plus 1 is common, y minus 4. Again y minus 4 is common, then y plus 4. Clear? But we find the factor of in form of a and b. So in place of y we write 2a plus b. In place of y we write 2a plus b. 2a plus b minus 4. Again same as it is, in place of y 2a plus b plus 1. These are the factor of given expression. Clear? Again next question. Question number 18. Find it is factorizable or not. If factorizable, then find out a factor. Student, factorizable or not means when a trinomial factorizable or not, we write this in this form: ax square plus bx plus c. Student, if any trinomial of this type, if b square minus 4ac is a perfect square, then this trinomial is factorizable. So first we find out b square minus 4ac. Coefficient of x square a, coefficient of x b, and constant term is c. So in this term, a equal to coefficient of x square 2, b equal to minus 7, and c equal to minus 50. First we check it is factorizable or not. For this we check b square minus 4ac. b square minus 7 square minus 4 into a 2 into c minus 50. Minus 7 square plus 49 minus plus 15 to 30, 34 is 120, 120 49, then 169. 169 is the perfect square of 13. 169 is the perfect square of 13. Then it is the perfect square. Then this expression is factorizable. If it is factorizable, then we find out a factor by same method. 2x square minus 7x minus 50. Student, this is negative, then one is positive, one is negative. There is negative, then greater is negative. We make the factor of 30. We make the factor of 30. Then if you factorize prime factor of 30 to 15, if we take 15 and 2, then nothing, 7. Again 3, 5. If we take 6 and 5, then not 7. Again 5 and 3, 5 multiply to 10 and 3. If we take 10 and 3, and 10 is negative, 3 is positive, then sum of two terms minus 7 and product of 2 minus 30. So split minus 7 in these two parts, minus 10 and 3. 2x square, in place of minus 7x we write 10x and plus 3x minus 50. Then first two and last two, in first two term 2x is common, then x minus 5, in last two term 1 is common, 3 is common, then x minus 5. Again x minus 5 is common, then 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3. These are the factor of given expression. Okay. Then last question 19. 4 root 3 x square plus 5x minus 2 root. Same on this type, ax square plus bx plus c. Clear student? First, we product of a and c. 4 root 3 multiply minus 2 root 3. Minus plus minus minus 4 multiply 2 8. Root 3 multiply root 3 3. Then this equal to minus 24. We factorize 24 in two parts such that sum is 5 and product is minus 24. Okay. Then 8 and 3. 8 and 3. First 4 root 3x square as it is. In place of 5x we write 8x minus 3x. 8x minus 3x 5x. 8x minus 3 8 multiply minus 3 minus 24. Okay. Then minus 2 root 3 as it is. First 2 last 2 in first 2 term. 4x is common. Then root 3x plus 2 again. Student 3 and root 3. We take common root 3. Root 3 is common. Then only root 3 x. Then minus common. There is plus and 2. Again by common factor root 3x plus 2. Root 3x plus 2. We take root 3x plus 2 and 4x minus root 3. Student, first we multiply a and c, then we factorize in two parts such that product of this and sum is this. Clear? Then we write 5x. We split 5x in two parts of this type. Clear? These are our two exercises, 5a and 5b. So next 5c and 5d in a next video. Okay. Thank you. With the help of this video, you do these two exercises in your notebook.